What is happening, my Baby Einstein fans? It's me, Aiden Gould, for Baby Einstein. For Aiden Gould, the Baby Einstein guy, reporting to YouTube. And today I'm going to be doing a review of Baby Einstein's World Animals 2003 DVD. As you can see, we've got the Baby Einstein's World Animals logo on the front of the DVD cover. And it says ages 1+ years. And it also says an amazing musical safari of wonderful creatures in natural habitats. And here we've got the Walt Disney Company logo. So, here's Jane the monkey with her safari outfit, and she's wearing a safari hat with a flower on top of her hat. Anyways, here's the front, the side, and the back. And we've got some special features on there. Okay, so here we've got the booklet, the parent's guide, and the disc. By the way, we're going to take a look at the booklet. So here's the front and the back. And you can see Baby Vivaldi the duck on there. See? That's how Julie Clark started Baby Einstein in 1996. But I was born in 2004 when I watched some Baby Einstein videos. As I was going to say, I'm 20 years old now. By the way, it's a copyright 2003 release for the booklet. And also, we're going to take a look at the parent's guide. So here's the front and the back. Okay, as you can see, we've got the scene selections and bonus material with the discovery cards and puppet shows. And here's Jane the monkey riding her airplane with her binoculars. And by the way, we're going to take a look at the disc. So, here's the disc. That is purple. And we've got the Disney DVD and the digital board book logos. By the way, it's a 30-minute running time. And by the way, it's a 2003 release. By the way, you can see BabyEinstein.com website. And there you have it. Okay, I might be able to do the opening and closing for this. So stay tuned for that.